GSFC University.
Good afternoon.
Good
Yes,
afternoon.
I'm Dr. Sarosh Shekhawat, the course coordinator for Master's Program in Biotechnology and Industrial Microbiology. So, welcome to the university, and if you have queries and questions, then how may I help you?
Yes.
How many seats are available, ma'am?
For Masters in Biotechnology, we have 20 seats.
Okay.
20 seats.
And the girls' hostel facility and all are
Yes,
in the
we have
campus?
on campus. Yes, we have
Okay.
both boys and girls hostel there, and entire facilities starting from you have residential, of course. You have mess facilities. You have all the washing and cleaning, everything, and fully functional hostel. Two-bed capacity, so it's not crowded also, and very safe and secure campus. Like it's CCTV monitored at all times, so safety is also not an issue.
So, is it safe for girls?
Yes, absolutely. The entire campus, not just the hostel facility, the entire campus is monitored, and we also have the industrial security force also monitoring it. You have routine visits from them. There's a patrolling going on at all times, and apart from that, you always during the daytime you have faculties, you have all the administrative staff. So never been any kind of bad incident ever. A fully secure campus in all
What are
respect.
the other facilities other than this? Any other facilities in
So
GSF?
apart from the hostel, residential facilities in the hostel, you have, of course, you have all the laboratory facility, you have academic facility, you have library facility, you have sports facility, entire infrastructure of sports you have in the campus. So a very big green lush campus, you would see like lots of nature parks, lot of
Yes.
lawns, and you have even the Sarv Dharma Mandir as well if you're
Yes.
spiritually inclined and you want to do morning yoga, and so it's a very serene environment. The campus is really very beautifully made. So
And I had a question regarding the activities in sports. So what kind of activities are there?
So for sports, we have all major sports, I would say, covered, because we have the cricket ground, which is you have tournaments going on at the state level, at the national level there, and there have been students who have participated and done really well at both state and the national level. Then you have golf facility, you have badminton facility, you have lawn tennis facility, you have swimming pool, you have gym facility. So I don't think we are left with anything. You have table tennis as well. So all the sports, whichever is a sport of your choosing, you can always.
What about basketball? I heard from my friends who studied here that there is a basketball.
Yes, we have a basketball court as well. You heard right.
Okay.
You heard absolutely right. Yeah. So sport-wise, and it's a good thing, because you can't be the body has to be also developed as well. So good focus on that as well. We have a sports club. The students are the active members of this club. They are the organizers in the club. So that is also one thing where you can.
Any other extracurricular activities along with the studies and all?
Yes. Plenty of sports club is one of them. We have 12 or 13 such more clubs operating. Adventure club, health club, Arogyam club, environmental club. You have event management club. You have a dance club, elocution club. You have also clubs which are engaged in subject specific clubs like coding club. You have also biotechnology club. So lots of I think everything that you can think of in terms of activity, you can join any club as per your inclination. Even if you are a member of one club or if you are an organizer in one club, you can participate in the activities of other club. So a very active extracurricular activities as well on the campus.
How about the laboratory facilities, ma'am? Because science is based on laboratory
Yes.
experiments only.
No,
So,
you
this
rightly
is-
said that. So we have this is the campus, our the original building where we have laboratory facilities. But now we have recently created an entire infrastructure. It's a new lab building, which is housing all the laboratories of the GSFC University in one building itself. So we have shifted there because now we have a fully dedicated lab for every specialization in biotechnology. So we have if you are inclined towards plant tissue culture and all, of course at master's level you are going to read about each one of them. So you have plant tissue culture facility, microbiology facility, animal tissue culture facility. You also have molecular biology, and then you have a centralized instrumentation room, where common instruments would be there. So we have fully functional those facilities, and all the instruments and every facility is out there. So I would suggest that after you're through with the questions from me, you can take a look, not just the campus but all the all the facilities, laboratory facilities as well.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
so we'll
Sure,
arrange
ma'am.
for that. We'll arrange for that.
So what is the basic MSc eligibility criteria for taking admission? Whether they have to face any entrance test or something?
Yeah. So that would depend on your graduation marks. So if you have scored about above 55%, then you would face a personal interview. So you would have to give an interview, appear in front of a personal interaction with the faculties, and based on that performance, you're given admission. If you scored below 55, between 50 to 55, then there is a computer-based entrance test. You have MCQ-based test, and we have sample papers of the test on the website, so you can have a look at it. It would give you an idea about what kind of questions to prepare for. So all that information will be there. So there shouldn't be a problem there.
So what are the scopes of this particular subject, MSc Biotechnology?
Yeah. So MSc Biotech, good question, because of course you have to take courses which would have some relevance, and this is one course, like not just me telling you that. You read anywhere. MSc Biotechnology would have applications in all domains, all spheres. So you can go for any industry. You can go for food industry. You can go for agriculture industry. You can go for pharmaceuticals, textile industry. You go for any industry which is like producing. It can be fermentation industry, it can be enzyme production industry, because you get all those concepts cleared in your masters. So that basic knowledge helps you in entry level entry into those industries. So it applies everywhere. So it's not narrowed down by choice. Rather you have a wider choice. So that is one good thing about masters in biotechnology.
Good to know.
Yes.
Yes. So how does this course offered by GSFC universities differ from other university which is offered by other universities?
Yes, that's a good question. Once again, I'll give you many reasons why, not just one reason why it is different. So first reason is that's the only private university in Gujarat that would be offering you the DBT curriculum. So DBT, as you know, Department of
Yes,
Biotechnology.
yes.
So Department of Biotechnology, along with Biotech Consortium India Limited, they had carried out this exercise of developing the curriculum for biotechnology, because going by the international trends, going by what is required in India. So this is a designed course where all the academics, the industry people, they have framed a curriculum, and that curriculum we have taken as it is. So this is the curriculum that is kind of used by all the government institutions, the universities like JNU and all, which use for entrance. So we are offering the same curriculum, so we maintain the same high standards, nothing is diluted, nothing removed, nothing edited. That is one of the USP. Now coming to the second USP, we have mandatory after every semester an industrial internship. And that is not, so that none other university would have, after every semester, and that is something which really helps the students, it is designed in such a way that whatever concepts they learn in that particular semester, they go to the industry which is oriented towards the same kind of applications. So in that way it kind of potentiates whatever they have been learning. So that is one USP again we have. I'll give you the third USP that we have is on campus, industries, biotech industry. You have GSFC Limited. As I don't know if you have gone through the website, you would have seen they are into agriculture products. They have come up with plant tissue culture, bananas, and many other different crops. They also have bio fertilizers. They have liquid fertilizers, which they are developing in-house based on the R&D here. So not only that the students go to visit it, they also get to train under our in-house these industries, on-campus industries. So that is one luxury which would not be there for any other students of any other courses. because to have academia and industry in the same campus and within a walking distance,
Yes,
that is something which it's a, it's a rare
That can
thing.
give them good exposure too.
Yes, of course. I mean, the students who have done I mean, plant tissue culture, once they do a basic learning into the lab, then they go to the industry and they see it happening at a commercial level. But because when you do it at the lab, you're doing it at an extremely small level. So how to scale it up, the magnitude of the operation and everything. Not just that, the management of the entire thing. They learn everything during the internship period. So that ties up really well with the biotechnology course.
Yes.
So after each semester we have to do internships here, or we can apply other as well.
Anywhere. We prefer industrial internship. However, if you are inclined that would like to go for some kind of an institutional research institute or some kind of national laboratories, and if you have invitation from any such laboratory, then we allow that also to the students. But mostly the students prefer going to the industries,
Yes.
they- because it exposes them to a completely application part of it in terms of the usage. So,
I would like to know about the placement status. What
yes.
is-
So in biotechnology, not in just biotechnology, all our courses, because the entire university has a placement cell.
Okay,
So the placement cell, as per the specification and as per the domains, would take care of all the placement activities. So for MSc Biotechnology, they have a list of entire biotechnology industries, institutions in and across Vadodara, in the entire Gujarat state. And they routinely keep on bringing those industries, so they would have interaction with the students. And 3 of our students from the previous batch have been placed in Siemens Healthcare, getting a really good start salary. Yes, so a very active support from the placement cell. If you are inclined towards a job,
Yes.
not all the students choose to from our previous batch. Those who wanted to go for a job, they have been placed. Those who wanted to do either higher studies and all, they have taken their own choice, and we help them and constantly update on where the JRF positions coming on, what are the other exams coming. Even if they want to go abroad, we give them full support in terms of knowledge, in terms of recommendations and everything. So they can make a choice,
Yes.
informed choice on where to go.
As we stay far from the university, I wanted to ask you whether transport facilities available or not.
Yes, we have transport facilities. We have buses. We are all the start from JSFC Limited, and they operate on all the major routes of the city, and they cover even the outskirts of the city. I would request you to from administration cell, you will admission cell, you'll get the entire route chart, so you can decide on which route you stay on, and accordingly you can decide on which bus to
It
take.
would be more feasible.
Yeah, and this would be we have morning, evening, those buses after every 2 hours and all the buses. So that transportation is not going to be an issue in terms of connectivity. Majorly connected.
Yes.
Yes. Any questions from you?
No, I'm satisfied.
Yes,
Satisfied?
yeah,
That's good. I'm happy to hear that.
Me
Yeah,
too
so-
also.
So what I would request you is I mean, we have admission cell right across when you go outside. So you can do the registration, and they'll get the entire fee structure and everything with them. So you can make the registration, and also ask them right there is a facility for you to go around the campus, look at all the even hostels, the new lab buildings. I would rather
Yes,
suggest that you
yes.
go and look at everything. You have also the you can't go for now inside the industries, but at least they are all lined up right on the path. So you can have a look at those industries also which are on campus.
We would love to take a tour.
Yes.
We'll facilitate that for you, and I really thank you for coming. And if
Thank
there are
you.
any queries, any other questions, you can reach out to me. You can also visit our website. All the information is going to be there on that.
Sure.
right?
Yes, sir.
We look forward to you joining the course soon.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
ma'am.
much, ma'am. It is
Good day.
nice meeting you.